Hey there, good morning, good afternoon. I hope you are doing well and I hope you're having a happy holiday. Today we're talking about the GoPro Hero 10. Now the problem that we all face is trying to mount this to a 1/4 inch thread. Now GoPro provides these thread mounts, but they are in plastic. And when they're in plastic, if you're on an important shoot and you tighten it too much, it's going to break. So these ones I got suggested by David Manning. He's another YouTuber here on YouTube, but he suggested me these Smatree tripod mount. So it's from a 1/4 inch thread that cameras use on their tripods to the actual GoPro mount. Now this is way better, why you ask? Because this one is $9.49 and for some reason the black one is almost $10. I don't know what the difference is between the 20 cents. But in between these two, this will save your time, this will save your life. Because if you have the plastic one, if you tighten it too much, or you're in a heated area, it's gonna break. And when it breaks, especially when you're on an important photo shoot, or video shoot, or time-lapse shoot, you're not gonna like it. With this, you're able to safely mount your GoPro, not be worried about it, and your mount is actually legit metal. It is legit metal. Here. See, it's legit metal. Have a great holiday.